And good morning. We're going to head out on a little day ride and we'll let you know the tour route as we go along.
California coastline, midday Texas sun, misty rain in Smoky Mountain, out here on the run. Lights of New York City, streets of Boston town, Golden Gate in San Francisco, Seattle's Puget Sound. Been a long time traveling, rolling on from town to town. Seen so many places, still don't know where I'm bound. Arizona desert, Colorado mountain snow, Arches out in Utah, Montana, Idaho, Grand Tetons in Wyoming, Oregon's Everglades, rolling hills of the Carolinas, Kentucky and Tennessee. Been a long time traveling, rolling on from town to town.
Candid shot of the man getting ready for his next adventure. I still think the BMW is prettier than the Africa Twin, but I guess that will be the debate.
No matter how far I travel, I'll always find my way back home. When I start to feel my life unravel, I know I'm not alone. Thunderstorms in Oklahoma, wind sweeping down the plain, sand dunes up in Michigan, the rocky shores of Maine, Indiana hardwoods, a Midwest summer day, sunrise in the Florida Keys takes my breath away. Been a long time traveling, rolling on from town to town.